Hello everyone, my name is John Arbaje and this is my final presentation for GD205 Game Programming 2. Let's get started. Over the course of the semester, I created mostly placeholders for characters as seen in this clip. So it was towards the end of the semester that I actually put time into creating actual characters. In this example, I have two characters fully animated. The main character is controlled by the player, while the other characters, the enemy for this game, are controlled by an AI script. For the third character, I created the main character for this class's final game project. This one is a bit different than the other ones in the sense that it's actually a plane, so it moves differently than a humanoid character. It has no animations and is made of primitive shapes. In the very first game that we made for this class, I added an options button that allowed players to control the game's volume as well as toggle full screen mode. Most projects I have made since have a main menu and a pause menu that allow players to navigate back and forth between them and playing. This is what the menu looks like for one of my final projects. Again, this was the first game that I made for the class, and at the time I was really trying to understand what the terrain tool can do or how to use it. So I made this unique setting with different areas, each simulating a section of the board. So I have on one end grass, on another quarter of the terrain is there's water, there's sand, and also a rocky mountain. I also have this forest that I created for a later assignment. Throughout the semester, I have provided feedback for my classmates and helped them with problem resolution whenever given the opportunity to do so, as well as listening to people's suggestions, and I've asked questions when in doubt about how to accomplish something. I know I got some valuable feedback, and I can only hope that I was able to provide as much value back to the class. For my final game, I got the weird game idea, amusingly euphemistic flight sim about gun-toting elephants. And this is what I came up with. Eleflight. Eleflight is a flight simulator where your plane is actually an elephant. You have to fly around and shoot at least 5 targets before you run out of fuel. The game uses physics, the physics system in Unity, so it's actually a bit tricky to control, and so it's not that easy to actually shoot the target. So you have to hopefully spend some time first trying to figure out how to control the plane, the elephant, and once you're used to that, then you can start shooting and hopefully hit some targets. But you have a limited amount of fuel which depletes as you press the W key on the keyboard. So as you accelerate, the more you accelerate, the more fuel you lose, and if you lose all your fuel, then you lose the game. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link in the description to the GitHub with all the scripts for the class. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys around.